Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Hope everyone was doing great. In this video, I'm going to share you 5 ways to earn as a student. So as we all know that when people are in college, the most searched term in their YouTube is like how to earn money. You can see many videos in the YouTube. Maybe some will be a fake, some may be real. In the same way, I'm going to share you 5 genuine ways. So before going to discuss about those 5 points, if you're visiting our channel for the first time and you are watching me for the first time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. And coming to the video, the first one is a YouTube content creator. See, if you wanna become a YouTube content creator as a part time, not I'm saying a full time, start with a part time and start recording videos and start uploading the videos. Don't think about others, what they'll think and all, and don't bother any negative comments if you get. So nothing much investment required for this. Simply everyone nowadays having a good mobile. In that mobile itself, you can record the videos, and there's some apps like a Canva and CapCut where you can edit the videos in CapCut, and also other app is VN Editor. In these two apps, you can edit your videos, and the Canva is a place where you can design the thumbnails. Your mobile is more than enough. If you had a little amount of budget to invest, then invest in a good light and a good mic. Here I'll suggest you six niches, like six topics to start in a YouTube channel. Not only these six, if you had any interest, you can start those also. Here these six are my good suggestions. First one is a tech, second is like any travel vlogs, third is like finance related, fourth fashion, fifth educating people in various fields, and the last sixth one is providing some courses about some technologies or any softwares. And the second topic is blogging. Blogging is nothing but first of all create a website. In that, start writing a content, non-copyrighted content. It should be our own. With that, after you're getting a more visitors to website, you can apply to the Google AdSense. From there, you will get some amount of money. So maybe some people will think to create a website, the coding is needed. Not at all. You can use the tool called WordPress, where you can create a professional website, and you can use some hosting platforms for a basic hosting. Starting with the basic hosting, if you're getting a more visitors, then upgrade to a premium hosting. Then you can start affiliate marketing through your blog. So from that way also you can earn money. And this is about the blogging. And coming to the third point, when you are in second year of college, try to learn many skills, and in third year, try to get a good internship. Nowadays, like the companies are providing you stipend from monthly 3,000 to 15-20,000. So try to get internship. For that, you need some good skill. Learn good skill which are trending in nowadays. And here are the four websites where you can find the internship. First one is Internshala, Glassdoor, second, and the third one is Internship Gate, and the fourth one is like LinkedIn. In these four platforms, you can start finding the internship. And coming to the next point is like become a freelancer, start freelancing. No matter which skill is, either it is a graphic designing or a video editing or a web development or anything, what the skill you had, start freelancing. You can get a clients from a LinkedIn or any social media, Instagram, or else you can start cold mails to content creators or any other startups about your skills with your portfolio. And fifth way, the last way is like also content creation, that is through Instagram. Start creating a reels, start creating carousels, or start creating posts in Instagram. Then after you're gaining a good number of followers, the Instagram won't pay you directly. For this, you need like promotions and collaborations. After you're getting a good number of followers, then you can earn through this. And not only this, if your page is related to education, then you can start selling the courses if you had a good number of followers. These are the 5 genuine ways where you can earn a good amount of money while you're studying. I mean, when you are a student. And that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.